Hey there everyone, welcome back again to PTC Creo series and Engineering with Pritam. In our last video, we saw how we can create a rotational blend using embedded or sketch section. In this video, we will talk about how we can create a rotational blend feature with selected section. So without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's click on new and then I'm gonna hit OK. Now let's go here on model tab and in shape, here we can find rotational blend. Now here we need to select selected section. If you want to see how we can utilize this sketch section, then check out our previous video that I have also attached in the description of this one. From there you can understand how we can utilize the sketch section. Okay, so now coming back to selected section, as you can see we have not created any section yet. So let me actually cancel it. Now actually let me quickly create few planes here, and since this is rotational blend, so probably we need to create angle plane, and that's why I have added this axis. Now let's click on plane, let's select the reference plane, select the axis, and now here we can specify the angle. So let's keep a first angle as 45, and then again selecting the same axis and plane, and let's keep this second angle as 30 degree. So 330 will be my 30 degree. Now we're going to utilize these three planes. So let's start making the sketch one by one. So let's start with the first plane. So just I'm creating a very simple, I would say, sketches. Now on second plane, let's go with slanted rectangle just to make things look more pretty, and then make sure that you are creating all these shapes in one side of this axis. Now the last shape we can create here, let's actually project this one. Okay, so now here we can see we have got these three shapes, and we also have got this axis which meets our requirement for rotational blend. Now let's click again on rotational blend, let's click on select section. Now start with the first section. Now let's click add another section, and then software is smart enough to detect or see that this will be our rotational axis. Now let's choose our third section. Okay, so seems like we missed it. So let's click here on remove and remove, again add. Now let's choose second, again add, let's choose third. And now here seems like something is wrong, so we can always flip it, or always you can change the vertex that you would like to connect. So in this way we can also change the vertex, and then we can select the correct one. Okay, so for example I would like to connect this vertex to here, so I can actually move it to this, or like this we can adjust this. Okay, so this seems okay. So in this way guys, we can create a rotational blend feature using external sketches, or it is also known as selected sketch. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If you have got any kind of doubts or question in mind, feel free to ask me in comment down below. And do like and subscribe to this channel to follow complete PTC Creo series and more such video related to engineering topics. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.